Well, thanks, Tom. All right. Well, we see Juniper has announced some new enhancements to its data center networking platforms, and it's all about, you guessed it, AI. Now, some of these new features include service level awareness for AIOps as well as impact analysis, which builds on the service awareness to help resolve, trouble tickets faster and quite simply speed up network recovery. Now, this is all thanks in part to the massive investments that Juniper has made in AI with Marvis and other technologies for years. Now, with the acquisition of HPE around the corner, Tom, what does this new release have in store for Juniper customers?
Well, I think it's taking what we're hearing about in the AI market and it's really making it make a lot more sense to like the tactical operation side of things. Because listen, I know that we get a lot of big picture stuff, and we heard a lot about that in the keynote that a certain fruit and mobile company had on Monday. But what does that really mean when you get into it? Well, one of the things that Marvis has always been so great about is giving me quick answers to the kinds of questions that are difficult to answer quickly. I can tell you exactly when a route flapped in a network. I can't tell you that that made the network slow without specialized knowledge to know that the flapping process caused that to happen. So here's what this enhancement does is it takes what Marvis has built, which historically has been very focused on wireless and on campus networking, and it drags that into the data center. And with the AI native now networking, which is the tagline that Juniper has been using for quite a while, there's a real opportunity here to kind of bring that focus into the data center. And that is hugely important for post-acquisition Juniper and HPE. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, but why is that important? Because I expect that Juniper is really going to be the core data center networking component of the new HPE networking division. I think that we're going to see a lot of that expertise, especially from Apstra, being integrated up and down the stack there and being able to pull in some of the server components to create this holistic Green Lake type experience, but for people who are running hybrid or even private on-prem clouds. But in order to make that happen, you have to integrate AI into the stack. And that, I think, is where we're going to see a lot of focus in the future. And what better way to sell more devices than to say that we have a lot of AI software that's going to run on them. So I'm excited to see where Juniper takes this, and I'm excited to see how this integrates post-acquisition, which of course nobody can talk about yet because it's not finalized, but just know that that's in the planning stages.